how do I make the case in my organization to get this done? That's the other really tough piece of this. How do I align my organization, property management, engineering, asset management, and then sometimes C-level? How do I get everybody to see that this is a need? And here are your practical ways of accomplishing this. It's fact-based, first of all. We find that the best way to get this done is rely on the facts. You have OPEX savings available to you. This is something people don't really realize at first, but when you install that backbone in that network, you're going to have two internet circuits, a primary one and a secondary. And all those other systems, that each one having an internet circuit, you might have 6 or 8 of those, you're going to have the savings in your monthly spend of 4 to 6 internet circuits. So you have money immediately to work on management and maintenance of the network. The second thing is some of your service contracts are going to have a reduction in cost because they're not going to have the ongoing network monitoring and maintenance component. So there's money to be saved there. And then finally, sometimes when we switch over from, say, a phone system, an old phone system, a VoIP system, to a less expensive VoIP system, in the process of migrating, you have potentially $500 to $3,500 a month in savings there that we see a lot. So there are ways to obtain that monthly spend and transfer it into the ongoing monitoring and maintenance of the new network. The second is Capex savings, and this is the longer term argument, but again, completely grounded in reality. When you upgrade or install any new building system, you're going to not have costs associated with cabling materials, network equipment, network configuration, labor. That all of those costs are gone because you built this backbone one time, and you're now left to take that Capex savings and show that those costs are gone. So you're not going to have the ongoing year-to-year costs with these new systems. So that can save you, when you bundle that together, between $5,000 and sometimes $100,000+ because you're not recreating the wheel, you're not reinstalling, you're not building a new network for a single purpose. So that's real Capex savings over the long term. And then the last and kind of most important argument is this is the rational, logical, common sense option. When you have a solution that solves for the current need, that solves for future needs, that provides you with cybersecurity protection that you didn't have, and frankly, it's just the incremental, it's an incremental cost to the total, you go with that option. That's sort of your future. So I hope that wraps it up for you. You can do this. You can take a building today and move it to a smart building status, and that's how you get started.